guys, and welcome back. So, the little quick story that I wanted to say is that I went to Home Depot and I picked out a bunch of PVC pipe, and what I did is I just grabbed 3 10-foot poles and cut them down. You can cut them down right there on the spot, and the whole thing, with the pieces included, like the little connector pieces, was about 16 bucks. I didn't have to use any kind of glue or anything like that. And for the actual curtains, we had leftover blackout curtains. So as you can see, I don't really have light, so I have the window kind of open right now. But I'm hoping to have light soon, so I'll be able to have like a cool backdrop with lights. But yeah, so that was it. If you like this video, please leave a like because it lets me know that I keep doing what I'm doing, and as well as, if you want to see more, please subscribe to my channel. It does help me know that, it does let me know that people are actually caring and watching. So thank you guys so much for your time, and I'll see you next time for more Stag Helm Creates. Bye bye.